Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope that all of you are fine, staying well and safe. And it's very nice to meet you once again at the Psych Short Lectures. So today this is going to be our 10th lecture, and today we are going to talk about another famous topic, another very important alternative energy resource, which is known as biogas. So let's move on. I've shared my screen with you. When you particularly talk about biogas, what comes into your mind primarily? You might say some sort of related to biological or biochemical things, right? And you're right, actually. So, biogas is one type of gas which can be produced by anaerobic digestion of organic wastes within an enclosed chamber. So, you can see a picture in here at the bottom of the right side, some sort of garden waste, kitchen waste, or organic waste, right? So we can send this kind of waste to some digester or enclosed chamber. And within that chamber, in absence of oxygen, or air, the microorganisms will be working on those wastes. The wastes will be decomposed, and therefore a gas will be produced, which is known as biogas. And this biogas can be used for cooking, for electricity generation, and for transportation as well. Biogas is definitely very famous, as well as it has many positive sides in terms of environmental impacts. There are a lot of advantages of biogas. Biogas is a renewable energy. We can send the waste again and again. We can use the waste again and again to be decomposed within a chamber. The biogas can be produced through anaerobic digestion, as we have learned. So, this is one kind of waste management. Think of a dustbin that maybe you are seeing it on the roadside. You might see a lot of kitchen waste, garden waste, and also feel or smell some odor, right? But you can easily solve these things. If you send this organic waste to some digesters, at that time, at one side, you are going to be able to manage the waste, and also you are going to be able to get some energy. So it is benefiting you in two ways. And by using this biogas, definitely you can understand that we would have some sort of economic benefits as well. And finally, as just we have mentioned, that biogas can be produced within a digester when wastes are decomposed. So after wastes are decomposed, gas is produced, but at the same time, there are some solid residues at the bottom. And we can use these residues or some sort of fertilizers on the agricultural field as well. And we can get this thing as the byproduct. So you can see that biogas has a lot of advantages. And maybe a lot of you have heard of biogas in Bangladesh perspective as well. When we particularly say biogas in Bangladesh, some images of rural areas come into our mind. Maybe a rural family, they are managing their household through cow dung or some food wastes, and by decomposing them in their household or just at the yard of their household, maybe they are producing biogas. But I am here to talk about something beyond that, that we need urban and commercial development of biogas production as well. At the right side, you can see this is a picture from abroad or from some sort of developed countries. This is a commercial biogas production plant or anaerobic digestion plant. So what can we do? Particularly think of Dhaka. Too much people, a lot of people are living in here. So that is why a lot of foods are needed. So every day, food wastes or organic wastes are produced. And where are they going? Most of them are going directly to the landfill, actually, just the ultimate treatment. But why? We can use these organic wastes in some other ways. Maybe we can separate this organic waste from the kitchen, and this is known as source separated kitchen waste. And we can send this particularly kitchen or organic waste to some commercial biogas plant. So now there is a question that where is biogas plant? Yes, there is not an established commercial biogas plant in Bangladesh, but we can easily set them up. Maybe it is difficult to set biogas plants in Dhaka, in main Dhaka, but we can set them easily at Purvachal or Ashulia or nearby Narayanganj or Barai. And we can send these organic wastes to the biogas plants. Biogas can be produced and we can use their biogas for electricity generation, for our household cooking, and for transportation. And as you know, that Bangladesh is a mono energy based country, mainly gas, natural gas. And very soon this might end. So this biogas can be a very great source of alternative energy. So I recommend the stakeholders, the government, especially the local governments in like Gazipur, Narayanganj, and also the Dhaka city corporations, and also the other areas like Rajshahi, Khulna, they should promote this biogas production. They should promote the sustainable waste management. They should offer that give us the organic waste and we will give you biogas in return. And this will surely solve the ultimate energy crisis of Bangladesh in near future. And we should not be just restricted within the rural level of production, like in villages. They need a lot of urban and commercial developments as well. And that's what I'm suggesting. So thank you very much once again. And I will see you in some next lectures. Wish you all the best. Thank you.